Hey friends, as I'm starting to cough and I get on. Welcome, glad you guys are here. I am going to be working on some little Easter nugget wrappers with these super cute little trays. And then there's also these cute little cards that you can attach, write a little message on the bottom or on the back of it, and add it to a little Easter basket or on top of a gift, or just give it kind of as a little gift itself. They're super cute. So I'm just kind of showing the printable for the Easter Hershey Nugget Wrappers. So I went and I bought these Hershey Nuggets. They're just the plain, but any kind of course is gonna work. But they're these little Hershey Nuggets. And while I'm thinking about it, let me quick share this live so that another group can enjoy it. If you hop on, please let me know where you're watching from. If you're catching it as a replay, if you could give it a hashtag replay, that would be amazing. I would love that so much. Awesome. Here we are. Yay. All right. Awesome. So again, let me know where you're watching from. Let me know if you catch this as a replay with the little hashtag replay. For those just hopping on, these are the little Easter printables. It's just printed out on a regular sheet of like the copier computer paper. And then this one is actually the trays that you put them in. This one is printed on a little bit of a heavier cardstock. It's like 65-pound cardstock. And then there's also some cute little cards that can go along with it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to put this together. Super cute, super easy idea. Hey Tracy, super easy idea. Takes a few minutes to put together. Easy to print. You can print it at home or take it to your favorite printing place. But super simple. And then what I'm using are these little Hershey Nuggets, the little chocolates that I'm going to be wrapping with my little wrappers. And then I'll put them in a tray. I'll show you how I'm going to put them together in a cute little bag. And put it together with a ribbon. So I have these little bags. It's kind of hard to see probably because it's clear. But they're like the pretzel bags that you can get. And in the listing on Etsy, it has the exact size, but they're just the pretzel, like the little pretzel bags. I think I found these at Walmart in the like cake decorating section is where I found it. So, all right. So let me tip you down here and see if I can show you exactly what I'm going to do. So here are the wrappers. Here are the trays, and I'm going to be doing both of them so that you'll be able to see. Super simple. I'm going to use a scissors to cut them out. You can use a paper cutter. You can use like if you prefer like an X-Acto blade. Whatever's easiest for you to use. But again, you don't need any fancy tools. You don't need a Cricut machine. You don't need a Silhouette machine. A scissors will work just fine. So you get 18 different wrappers per page, which is pretty fun. And plenty to make multiple nugget sets. Just like that. That's all there is to it. So I'm just going to cut these out. And if you don't get it cut totally perfect, don't worry about it. It's really not that big of a deal. You know, just get it as close to the line as you can. And if you have to go back and trim it, like this one, I would just go back and trim just a little bit closer to the blue line. That's all I gotta do. Okay, so I have my little wrappers there. As long as I've got my scissors going, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out one of my trays here. I'm just gonna take the blue one here since it's on the end. And again, the trays are printed on the cardstock, which is about a 65-pound cardstock. So it's not quite as bendable as the paper, but it's not super thick either. You can see, you know, it bends pretty easy. All right. And again, if you don't get it quite as close as you like, just go back and just trim that extra off just a little bit. Okay, so I have my one tray, I have my wrappers, and then I'm going to do this little guy to match my, now the little cards match all of the trays, so you can use whatever color you want for the little guy, or the basket, or whatever you want to, whatever one you want to use to go to at the top. Okay, so I've got my little card, I've got my tray, and then I have my 6 wrappers. Okay, this is so easy, you guys. So here's my little nugget chocolate. I just center my wrapper over my chocolate. I fold it on the back so that it comes to the back. I have a little bit of Scotch tape. I take just a little piece. Oh, that's even kind of big. Hold on. Let me grab a different one. All I need is a little one. And I tape that back. And I have a super cute little Easter candy. So I'm going to go ahead and do that with a few more here. Like I said, each sheet comes with 18 wrappers, and then you also have 3 trays and 3 cards. So you can do all of your, you know, use all of your wrappers for one like Easter basket, or do 3 different little Easter basket toppers. Okay, so this one's really cute. It's got all the little bunnies all the way around on the around the sides. Super cute. This one says hello spring, or no, this one says spring has sprung. And again, I'm just gonna turn this around so you can see it. I'm gonna center that up, bring it to the back, little piece of Scotch tape, ta-da. All right, so I'm just going to go through. Oh, that one's got I got to center that one a little better. There we go. All right. Tape that. This one is Hello Spring, the little green plaid. Go figure, plaid. Brenda and plaid. Who would have thought? This is a little gingham, like a gingham plaid. That one says Hello Spring. Tape on the back. Look at that, you guys. Look, look, look. So cute. This one, the wrapper on the candy bar is a little weird. Okay, last one. Happy Easter. And I'm going to take and just center it again. Turn it around, throw some tape on there. Okay, so I have I have, oops, this tape came off. I have 6 little Hershey Nuggets, there we go, that are now wrapped in little Easter wrappers. They got little Easter coats on, right? So now I'm going to show you how to turn it into a gift kind of all on its own. So I cut out that tray, and I'm going to use an embossing tool. Now, you can use a straight edge if you want to get the edges nice and straight. If you don't have a straight edge, don't worry about it. You can probably follow it pretty easily. I'm using this little embossing tool that I got from the dollar store. I'm going to grab a ruler quick just so you can see what it's like with a straight edge. I have this little embossing tool. It's got like a little ball on one end and then like a bigger ball on the other end. I'm using that to go over the lines, because I want to make a score line without going through the paper so that it's really easy to fold. So that's all I do. And then I get a really nice fold. And what I'm going to do, let's see, I think we'll have the blue on the outside. You can do it either way. If you want the white on the outside, you can do it that way. If you want the blue on the outside, which I'm going to do. Now what I'm going to do quick is I'm going to lay these in here. However, whatever way you want, you can put them in there. Okay, so this fits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My 6 of them right there. If I wanted to add another one, I could do an extra one and just put it in this little bundle. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how to make it so that it fits how many nuggets you have. So however many, you could do 3, you could do 2, you could do 4, whatever you want. All 6 like I'm doing. I'm going to take a little pencil and I'm just going to put a little line where that last nugget kind of left off. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut that off. Now I'm going to put them back in there and just kind of measure out where it goes. I can use tape or I can use a glue stick. Elmer's glue sticks are non-toxic, so it's fine if it touches the wrapper. And it's in this cute little tray. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my tape here. Now you could also use two-sided tape. I have two-sided tape, but I'm going to do it like this, so just in case you don't. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little tape circle, and I'm going to put it right at the end of my tray. So that way, when I put them in the bag, they're not going to move around on me. And they're not going to fall and come out of the tray and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to place them in there. Again, I'm just putting the little tape ball on the back. Whoops. Little tape ball on the back. All right. So I have them all in the tray. They're not gonna slide around. They're not gonna fall. Okay. And I'm going to grab my little, this is that little pretzel bag again. Again, I got this at Walmart in the little cake decorating section. And I'm going to see how easy I can do this. There's it's kind of staticky. Static electricity here. So I'm going to see how easy I can slide this in there. It might take me a little bit. Well, maybe not. Okay. So I have it in this super cute little bag. And what I'm going to do is I have this ribbon. It's just this gingham plaid ribbon. I do have some green gingham, but I'm going to hold on to that because I have some St. Patrick's Day stuff I want to use that for. So I'm going to use this pink. And I just kind of cut it at an angle on the edges just so it gets a little bit fancy. And what I'm going to do for my card is I'm going to take a little hole puncher. These would be so cute in like if you have a classroom situation or just a group of friends that you want to give a super cute little Easter treat to. Just show them you appreciate them and you care about them. This is a great way to do that. So I'm going to twist that. Now it comes with little silver twist ties, but I'm going to use the ribbon instead to tie it. And I'm going to put my card in the front. And all I'm going to do is just tie a little bow. And of course, if you want to write a little message on the back of the card, you know, from whoever, and add either in a little gift basket or on top of an Easter basket, or surprise someone in their mailbox. Just a super quick little gift that's super, super easy and fun to make. So there you go, guys. I hope that you enjoy that. If you have any questions about any of that, please let me know. It's, again, so easy to make. So I hope that you'll have a great night, and I will see you really soon. Thanks for joining me.